What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a custom promotion inside of Airbnb. And then I'm going to break down why you need to be doing this and how it can transform the amount of bookings that you are currently getting. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. But without further ado, let's dive in. What you want to do very first is you want to go to your calendar inside of the hosting account of your Airbnb account. So make sure you're signed in as a host and not a traveler. Okay, and then you're going to click calendar at the top. Yours may look like this. It may not. I have Airbnb Pro Tools turned on, and so that's why mine looks this way. But for you, if it looks different, just find the listing that you want, okay? And what you want to do, and I'll just pick any listing here. You want to click on the listing, okay? And then it's going to pop up this screen, which I'm sure we've all seen. If you're on mobile, it will look a little bit different, but the steps are still the same. You can still do this on your mobile device as well. If you're on a mobile device, it will be the little gear icon in the top right. So you'll just want to click that to open up your settings, which is what will pop up here, okay? And so once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is you need to scroll down to promotions right here. Okay, and you can tell, as you can see, I'm always running promotions. That's a little secret sauce. Shh, don't tell too many people. But you wonder why I'm booked up all the time. I don't know. Anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on custom promotion. All right. Now, I have a strategy for this. I teach it inside of my Airbnb School Masterclass, which you can find by clicking on one of the links below. I have a pricing strategy that shows people how to get maximum occupancy rate. I have literally gotten 100% occupancy rate in the off season on some of my properties, okay? This strategy works, but I can't give you all the secret sauce, but I will show you guys how to set up a custom promotion. So what you're going to do is you're going to select some dates on your calendar. So some of these I can't select because I actually already have promotions going on. But for example, let me pick July 18th. This is one that I can pick. All right, and I'm going to hit next. And you can, like, you know, if it's a longer space, let's see if I can find one.
Real quick, before we dive any deeper, if you're just getting started with Airbnb or looking to land your first listing, you're gonna want to listen up. You need to check out our free Airbnb school community because inside you'll get access to our Airbnb School Masterclass. You'll get access to weekly Get Your First Listing live coaching calls, and you'll also get access to a global community of motivated hosts and top 1% of Airbnb earners. In addition to all of that, we also include must-have tools like cleaning checklists, furnishing guides, house manuals, and landlord contract templates, everything that you need to get up and running with your Airbnb business. All this is designed to help you get that first deal fast. And the best part, it's totally free to join. So just hit the link in the description below and I will see you on the inside. Okay, back to the video.
Yeah, I can't really find any big gaps, but that's okay. So in this case, July 18th, you're going to hit next. Okay. And this is why you want to set these custom promotions. Okay. Check this out. Now it starts at 10%. So if I bring it down to 0 or 1%, okay, you get a new line item on your price breakdown. So basically it's like they give a little scratch and they're like, hey, here's a promotion, right? And that's good for the first 10%. But what happens when you hit 10%? Ooh, right here. Sorry, that's when you get the strike through styling on search pages. And okay, so number one, you get a little new line item of how there's a discount, okay, when they see the price breakdown on Airbnb. And then when you go to 10%, now you get a strike through styling on search pages in your listing. So when people are searching, okay, for Airbnbs in your area, you're going to have this little strike through the original price and then the new price that it will show that there is a discount. That's powerful. You might not think that's powerful, but guess what? The algorithm detects that. And Airbnb's goal right now, as of 2025, it could shift, but as of right now, their goal is to get as many heads and as many beds as possible. Okay, they are trying to fill up units. And so, how do they do that? Well, they look for hosts that are looking to be aggressive. And if you're aggressive, I'm not saying you have to be super aggressive, but if you are somewhat aggressive with your pricing strategy, offer promotions, offer things that entice people, the algorithm's like, oh, this person wants to put heads in beds. They're being nice to us and giving a discount. And so we're going to push that to the top of the listing. If you actually look at my area, okay, and if you knew my properties, literally all my properties are on the top of the page. It's because I have a strategy that I use. Anyway, so you get that. Now, if you take this to 15%, watch this. Now you get a special call out on your listing page. So when they click on your listing, there's a special call out that pops up. Okay. So each step of the way, they give you more perks. They are trying to entice you to give you discounts. When a company does this, you best believe that this is in your best interest. Okay. For getting the place booked up. And then the last milestone is at 20%. And what happens here is if you are willing to give Airbnb the opportunity to list your place at a 20% discount, they will also give you a placement in emails. So Airbnb has a massive email list. And when they blast out an email, they will give you a placement on that email. All right. And so this is very, very, very powerful. Again, you want to be doing this because you're tapping into the algorithm. All right, the way that the way that the search results work on Airbnb, when somebody types in a city, okay, and a date on Airbnb, the listings that are going to pop up are going to be the ones that are favored by the algorithm. Yes, there are other things that take place, but they will push good promotions. Okay. And so if you want to fill up your properties, if you want to get a higher occupancy rate, if you want more dates booked, then start running promotions. Maybe even inflate your price a little bit, all right, to offset the promotion. But this will help you get more heads in your beds. All right, guys, that's it for this video. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. If you want access to our masterclass, which we have at a crazy discount right now because we are offering a founder's price, okay? And so the first 100 people get a crazy discount into that program. We are teaching the highest level stuff that you can learn about Airbnb and hosting on Airbnb. But that's it for now, guys. We'll see you in the next video.